Hi, this video will cover syncing a purchase order to QuickBooks. Click on Integrations. From the drop-down, whether you're using QuickBooks Online or desktop, once it's connected, you'll have a drop-down. So in this case, we're going to choose Purchase Orders. Before you sync up your POs, please be sure you have met the following requirements. The requirements can be found on our website, projects360.com. Click on Support, go to the Learning Center, click the tab for instructions, and view the guide whether you're using desktop or online. Find the purchase order section and be sure to follow the requirements for syncing that PO. A minimum of one product is required. The supplier for the PO needs to be pushed up to QuickBooks first, and products also need to be pushed up first. So the requirements for suppliers: complete name, contact email, contact phone, complete address with country. Requirements for products: item name, short description, MSRP, and cost. And keep in mind any changes going forward once everything is synced need to be made in Projects 360, not in QuickBooks. Otherwise, those changes will get overwritten. So back to POs. Once these requirements are met, to push POs to QuickBooks, the PO status has to be anything other than draft or archived. So you can set the status as it shows in the screenshot, change it to anything other than draft. So going back into the PO, so in this case, we'll go ahead and try to sync this AllNet distributing supplier PO AllNet order. Again, you can change the PO status from here, and be sure to set the overall status to anything other than draft if it's set as draft. So once all that's done, you can go back to Integrations, choose Purchase Orders, and click Sync to QuickBooks. All items were successfully pushed up to QuickBooks Online. So going into your QuickBooks account, to find your purchase orders, you can go to Expenses, click on Vendors, click on the purchase orders. Once you're on this main page, you'll see all your active purchase orders that have pushed from Projects 360 to your QuickBooks. And here's that one for AllNet Distributing. If you go ahead and click that, you'll see we have a purchase order. So if you go ahead and click on that purchase order, you'll see the lines that were brought over. And we'll go ahead and pull up that PO in our system. And as you can see, it brought over all three lines. And at any point you needed to make any adjustments to these lines, you can delete lines right from here, or make edits just by simply clicking on each of the item detail boxes. That covers syncing a purchase order to QuickBooks. Join us for other videos as we cover each section of the software.